Hello guys, I am your friend Pathak and today we solve our textbook questions of class 9 science chapter 1 matters in our surrounding. So let's start. So our first question is, which of the following are matter? Chair, air, love, smell, hate, almond, thought, cold, lemon water, the smell of perfume. So our solution is, the following substances are matter: chair, air, almonds, lemon water, the smell of perfume. The smell is considered as a matter due to the presence of some volatile substance in air that occupy space and have mass. Okay guys? So guys, our question second is, give reason for the following observation. The smell of hot sizzling food reaches you several meters away, but to get the smell from cold food you have to go close. So guys, our solution is, particles in the air if fueled with higher temperature acquire high kinetic energy, which aids them to move fast over a stretch. Hence, the smell of hot sizzling food reaches a person even at a distance of several meters. A driver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. Which property of matter does this observation show? So guys, the solution is, the driver is able to easily cut through the water in the swimming pool because at the weak force of attraction between water molecules. It is the property of water that attributes to easy devising. The mass per unit volume of a substance is called its density. Arrange the following in the order of increasing density: air, exhaust from the chimneys, honey, water, chalk, cotton, and iron. The following substances are arranged in increasing density: air, second is exhaust from chimneys, third is cotton, fourth is water, fifth is honey, sixth is chalk, and at last iron. Okay guys, so now move to our question 5th. Answer the following. Comment upon the following. Rigidity. It is a property of matter to continue to remain in its shape which treated with an external force. Compressibility. It is the attribute of the particles to contract their intermolecular space when exposed to an external force, thereby escalating its density. Fluidity. It is the ability of a substance to flow or move about freely. Fourth, filling the gas container. The particles in a container take their space as they randomly vibrate in all possible directions. Shape. It is the definite structure of an object within an external boundary. Kinetic energy. Motion allows particles to possess energy which is referred to as kinetic energy. The increasing order of kinetic energy possessed by various states of matter are liquid, solid, liquid, and gas. Density. It is the mass of a unit volume of a substance. It is expressed as d equals to m upon v, where d is density, m is mass, and v is the volume of the substance. Evaluate the difference in the characteristics of matter. So, our first characteristic is shape. Solids have fixed shape, liquids do not have fixed shape, and gases do not have fixed shape. Solids have fixed volume. Liquids also have fixed volume, but gases do not have fixed volume. Okay guys? The intermolecular space in the solid is maximum, but intermolecular space in liquid is less than solid, and intermolecular force in gas is very less. Rigidity or fluidity. Solids are rigid, Liquids are fluid and gases are also fluid. Compressibility. Solids are not compressible. Liquids are compressible and gases are highly compressible. Okay guys. So guys, now move to our question 6. Give reason. A gas fills completely the vessel in which it is kept. So guys, the solution is there is a low force of attraction between gas particles. The particles in the filled vessels are free to move about. A gas exerts pressure on the wall of container. Gaseous particles have the weakest attraction force. They are always moving in a haphazard manner. When a gas particle collides with the container wall, it exerts force and thus pressure on the wall. The wooden table should be called a solid. There is a distinct contour and volume to the hardwood table. The wood particles are tightly packed. They do not conform to container shape. As a result, the shape feature of a hardwood table are satisfied. We can easily move our hand in the air, but to do the same through a solid block of wood, we need a karate expert. It is because the boundaries between air particles are quite loose. They are a long way apart and have a lot of space between them. As a result, we may move our hand freely in the air. The particles in a solid block, on the other hand, are bound together by a strong force of attraction. As a result, there is either some or no space between them. As a result, we will require a karate expert. So guys, our question number 7 is liquids generally have a lower density than solid. But you must have observed that ice float on water. Find out why. The solution is, in general, the volume of a liquid is more than the volume of a solid because liquid particles are freer to move, resulting in more volume. Ice, on the other hand, has a maximum density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Ice is lighter than water and has a lower density. As a result, it floats on water. Okay guys. So guys, now move to our question 8. For any substance, why does the temperature remain constant during the change of state? It is due to the latent heat at the heat supplied to increase the temperature of the substance is used up to transform the state of matter of the substance. Hence, the temperature stays constant. Suggest a method to liquefy atmospheric gas. It can be achieved by either increasing the pressure or decreasing the temperature, which ultimately leads to the reduction of space between molecules. Okay guys, why does a desert cooler cool better on a hot dry day? It is because the temperature is high and less humid on a hot dry day, enabling better evaporation. High level of its evaporation provide better cooling effects. Question 11. How does the water kept in the earthen pot matka become cool during summer? An earthen pot is a porous in nature. These tiny pores facilitate the penetration of water and hence the evaporation from the pot surface. The process of evaporation requires energy which is contributed by water in the pot, as a result of which water turns cooler. So guys, now move to our question 12. Why does our palm feel cold when we put on some acetone or petrol or perfume on it? Acetone, petrol and perfume are volatile substances that evaporate when they come in contact with it. Evaporation is facilitated as it uses energy from the palm, hence leaving a cooling effect on our palm. Okay guys, so guys, now move to our second last question. Why are we able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer rather than a cup? A saucer has a large surface area than a cup, promoting quick evaporation. Okay guys, hence the tea or milk is in a saucer cools down faster. So guys, now move to our question 14. What type of cloth should we wear in summer? In summer, it is preferred to wear light colored cotton cloths because light color reflect heat and cotton material have pores that absorb sweat, facilitating evaporation and hence causing a cool effect on the skin. So guys, these are the textbook questions of class 9th science chapter 1 matters in our surrounding.